solution aux problèmes que le vent se lève. De temps en temps, nous serons heureux.
We're going to this place, Uovo Pasta. I hope they're open. Are they open?
Yeah. Here.
Oh, is the entrance there? Yeah. Yeah.
There you go.
Here's the menu. They have a tasting menu. And then the pasta. They have crudo, ragu, pomodoro, cacio di pepe, lasagna, arrabbiata. It's divided by region. The first column is from Bologna, the middle one is from Roma, and then the Classica. And the other one, I'll have lasagna. Lasagna is from Bologna. Oh, carbonara is from Rome. We're ready. We're actually in a time crunch. I'll have the lasagna. And then, what are you getting, Josh?
And then the yellow-tailed crudo. And then we'll just share if you can serve it together. And then what pasta do you recommend?
What do you usually like? Cheesy or red sauce?
Cheesy.
I'd say the carbonara is really good. It's like a cheesy bacon pasta.
Okay, let's do that.
And then there's an oven here too. Let's look at the assembly line.
Did you order drink?
I see. The pasta sauce is there. Just look at where they get the pasta sauce over there. I see. Look, they're going to put it down. It's going to go down. Oh, see. The other one is going up. Cheers! Cheers! Here is the assembly line. The toppings are there. The sauce are here. And then the noodles are there. Pasta. You will learn how to properly prepare pasta from this assembly line. Look at the fire, like super low fire.
Cauliflower and soup?
Here's our yellowtail.
Buon appetito!
They're making the pasta. Oh, it has like, I think it has clams then. What's just making has clams?
Sa akin?
I don't know. I should have ordered the small one. Really? I ordered the salsa. See how they prepare the thing. And then
The border. Yeah, it's convenient, right?
Yeah, it's neat.
Yeah.
what are you having then? Oh,
Okay.
is that your carbonara?
Lalagyan ng bacon.
Yummy. Yum.
Thank you, Chef.
I'm having lasagna. Josh is. What are you having, Josh? Ragu. And then is carbonara. Hi, Josh. How's your pasta? It's good. How about you,
Pasta
Daddy?
carbonara. Big bite. How is it?
We are trying this ice cream place. This is actually a vegan ice cream place.
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah, they are.
I'll have the honeycomb here.
This is the name of the place.
You want a sundae or ice cream?
That's what they have. I probably have the... Do you want to share the sundae, Josh? chocolate ice cream. I'm not sure what to get yet. Hello! Here's my ice cream. Pistachio.
And pistachio.
What are you having, John? Daddy's having. What are you having, Daddy?
I'm having a mini sundae.
Mini sundae.
So
Cheers,
yummy.
guys. Cheers. Closer here. Cheers. Hi, Josh. The duckies are there, Josh. It went inside. Come here. Can we go this way? And then there's all birds. There's a pond here. They step out of water. Steve's sister. Oh, nice. Hi,
Cheese.
Hi, Jen. Hi, Jen.
Hi.
It's Reformation. They have a lot of nice dresses there. We're going to Josh's haircut appointment now.
Oh yes, baby. Galing. No? As long as you limit it to 90 minutes, right?
Look at you. Oh my
Is
gosh.
it a bit spiked?
Yeah, you have chocolate on your mouth.
Here.
We're going to. We were here one time. We're going to the same spot. To the same place. Right, Josh? Go, Josh. I'll take a video. Where are we going, Josh? Do you know?
Going to Papaya.
Tukaya. That's Tukaya. We're going to Uovo.
Uovo. However you say it.
The place Uovo. Hi, Josh.
I can make the lighting better for you if you
Let's
want.
go.
On the videos on Uovo.
We have this at home.
I can make
Okay, this is Kudo. And then this one is
This is batuta de carne or beef tartare.
Mommy, that's mommy. It tastes so good. You gotta try it. It melts in your mouth.
okay.
Good.
Yep.
Thank you, chef.
Oh, is that yours? What did you get then? Is that yours?
Yeah. Or maybe yours.
What did you get by the way?
Amatriciana.
I think that's yours.
Yeah, I think this one. Thank you, chef.
How's your ragu, Josh? I'm still
I
waiting
haven't
for mine.
tried it yet.
You have bongole. Pasta made fresh from Italy. That's my bongole.
I hear it, the bongole.
Tiramisu.
I like
Tiramisu. Did you know that? Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Josh. Where did we have dinner?
Uovo.
Uovo.
Because I did this.
Oh, Daddy's there.
Hi.
Hello.
Did you guys enjoy the dinner?
Yes.
Okay.
J'ai envie de te dire que la vie est belle comme une solution aux problèmes, que le vent se lève de temps en temps. Nous serons heureux pour l'éternel, que tu peux traverser les nuits sans tomber, que tu peux rêver de grandes échappées, que tu peux aimer sans renoncer. Tu verras mon amour que la vie est belle, tu verras tous les jours tes
of these like businesses survive. Yung mga wild flora,
Ito nga, sarado na eh, punk.
Pilates. Bonjour. Look at the bonjour. It's so beautiful. Look
Where?
at that cafe. That's nice.
Look,
Right across the
studio.
street. Yeah.
Japanese.
Right across the street. Look at that. Like
What?
this one. Party boutique. Bonjour.
Ah,
Oh wow. Coffee and plants. Oh, I would like to go there. Coffee and plants.